camera on to Christian eating. What do you have to say about that, Christian? That food?
Yum.
Yum, yum.
Yum. Desert air dinners.
What's up YouTube? Desert Air Dudes here, and as you can see, the sun is out to the west here today because we came out late.
We're having a night fly.
So you get to see all the planes with lights. We knew you requested it. We knew you wanted to see it. Yes, I hope you enjoy. Get ready.
Later.
They're all getting their food on. At the night fly, then everyone gets food. We got a telescope right there. Maybe we'll be able to let you guys see something through the telescope. And then we got Christian.
All I see is a silhouette right now.
This plane here with the blue lights is cool, or purple lights. Once it gets down behind the horizon, it's hard to see, so.
So it's
All right,
showing
guys,
you,
I told
like,
you
that's
I'd
the
bring you
Milky
over
Way,
here.
right?
Pretty, I mean, it's awesome. It's so neat.
Look at that.
And keep in mind, this is unedited, right?
Yeah.
So what you would typically do is, I'm just live stacking, so it's doing 30-second exposures, and it keeps adding them on top of each other
Okay.
by lining up the stars, right?
Yeah.
And so it's just going to keep getting better and better and better. But what you would typically do would be take a lot of these pictures without live stacking, and then you do this in software, and then you process it, and you'd be able to actually assign different colors to different channels of
yeah.
like.
That's what they're doing with the James Webb Telescope, aren't
Yeah,
they?
Exactly.
Yep.
I mean, that's for visual stuff.
That's nebula, you said?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because every
That big one, bright one, is that a planet?
Cool. They're
So
calling you
it's a
nebula
star.
now?
Okay.
So these are all
That's your
stars.
new name?
yeah.
No, these are planets. So we're looking
That's
at
the nebula
Orion.
right
If you
there.
want to look at the constellation,
Yeah,
you see
Orion's
Orion. Over here, see, this is a star that's kind of inside of a gas cloud almost.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Everybody's seen the Horsehead Nebula. That's it
Yeah.
starting to come out right there.
Wow. And the darker it gets, the better
Right,
you're gonna
obviously,
get.
it's actually not even prime. It's still considered to be twilight.
Last time we did this, we were out here till almost 1.
Yeah, the later you're out here, the better it gets.
Sure.
Right, and the higher. This is almost perfect. You'd almost want it to start a little bit before the meridian, but where it is right now is pretty decent for
You
viewing.
can see the
So
nebula,
neat.
guys.
Yeah, that's really cool.
You know, back in the
See?
1300s,
not the greatest
1400s,
quality,
you know, Magellan was considered the first astronaut
Go, Randy.
because he navigated
With the stars.
with the stars.
Yeah. Well, not.
He's a
there's still
stargazer.
stuff that
He wanted to be
navigates.
Oh,
The
Ken.
modern aircraft.
I thought I was making a
have
joke.
backups to GPS.
Did you know the SR-71 navigated by the stars? Before they didn't have any GPS, and they were going so damn fast, they had to have stars to be able to tell how far they went,
Right.
where they were.
Now you can't see it with your eyes here because it's too damn bright.
Right.
But that's the comet I was looking at. Is over here.
Well, YouTube, that's our night fly video. We hope you liked it.
Yep. It was fun.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
What was that?
I'm sorry, YouTube. I didn't have anything to say this time.
We're done flying at the night. We're done flying at the night. No, we're done with our night fly.
The light is blinding me.
We hope you
There,
enjoy.
that's who needs to be on here. The guy in the blue.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Sun Lakes.
Sun Lakes Remote RC, unscripted and straightforward.
Straightforward.
Desert Air Dudes out. Oh wait, Terry wants to say something.
Everybody had a good time. Everybody got some food.
Some
And
food.
we got to watch a few planes hit the dirt. And
Yep.
we got to see a lot of people fly some really nice airplanes at night.
That's right.
Thanks, everybody.
This is Terry, our president. If you ever have any complaints, go to him.
Yeah.